so golden. Hey YouTube, today we're going to do Golden, which is a song originally performed by Harry Styles, but we're going to do the Cannon's version of it. This was a request, and it's a really good beginner song, so it's one of the reasons I'm psyched about it. Alright, so there's basically two sections. One where they're playing arpeggios and one where they're playing chords. So let's talk about the chord one first. This is G major 7. There's only two chords in the song. G major 7 and A major, just the A chord. That's it. And you can play both at the 5th fret. Alright, this is just like the stair step movable shape and for the A. And then we're going to do this form of the major 7 chord where we bar at the 7th fret, we bar the top 3 strings. And then on the D string, we play the root note, which is a G. And that's when he's strumming, that's what he's doing. I'm just using a real tight kind of strumming motion so that I'm just playing, kind of just brushing those 3 strings. All right, and then the arpeggios. Well, one of the arpeggios is this chord shape. So that's half of the arpeggio is that stair step shape. And the other one is so we're starting on the D, and we're sliding 7 to 9. Then we go to the 7, and we play those G and B. And then we come back to the G. B, G, G, B. I'm talking about G and B, the strings. Just so there's no confusion. All right, and that's it. That's the whole song. So have fun playing that. That was a great request. Thank you for that. Have fun. Bye.